for the morning, governor.
Chin chimney sweep, chin chimney sweep. No chin as lucky, I'm lucky, you'll see. Chin chin charoo, chin chin charoo. Won't you blow me a kiss?
Wow, that's lucky too.
Yup, no happier crew than us chin chimney sweepers.
Speak for yourself, old chap. You get all the kisses. I never had a lady blow me a kiss.
Sorry, lad, not everyone has got my good looks, my sophisticated profile, or my infamous lip formations. Yes, I'm the prince of the swingers, the kissers VIP. I'm sure you want to try to be a chin like me. You need to learn to pucker, be dash and debonair, to be as smooth as I can be. Start by covering that hair.
Oh, ooby dooby, I wanna look like you do. I dance like you and prance like you too. You'll see it's true. A sweep like me can be a swinger too.
See, it's all in the lips.
You can do it, that's right, just imagine it. There you notice, swimming across the waves. She brushes her hair with forks, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're going to try to smooch the girl. La la la, sha la la, my oh my. Looks like the chin's too shy, not gonna smooch the girl.
All right already.
La la la, sha la la, my oh my. Looks like he smooched the girl.
I'll never find a redhead like her again.
Keep your chin up, lad. She's not the only fish in the sea. There are many colours of the chin.
You think the chins who carry beauty are chins that float underneath the sea. But if you take a look outside your chimney, you'll see things you saw that now you see. Have you ever seen the maiden with the apple? Or the one with frosty hair that sends a chill? Or how about the one that likes them hairy? There are many more I haven't mentioned still. Can you smile with all the colors of the chin? Can you smile with all the colors of the chin?
That's right, Mr. Chin Chimney. It's really quite easy. You can try, you can try, you can try. Soon you'll waltz around the room. All it takes is talent and trust. But the thing that's a chin puppet must is a little bit of fairy dust. Just a little bit of fairy dust.
Tale as old as dirt, true as it can be. Here it all begins. Now we're double chins, unexpectedly. Just a little kiss, then a happy grin. Both are petrified, scared and terrified. Beauty and the chin. Just a little kiss, then a happy grin. Beauty and the chin. Oh, Miss Mr. Chin Chimney Sweep, you turned my world upside down.
Looks like he smooched the
I should film this.
my oh my. Looks like he smooched the girl. There to be as smooth as I can be.